Mushroom hunting, a delightful foray into nature's bounty. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of mushroom hunting. This is not just a hobby. It's an adventure into the forests and fields, a connection with nature, and for many, a passionate quest for delicious treasures. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned forager, this video will illuminate the path of mushroom hunting. Mushroom hunting, often called foraging, is the practice of gathering mushrooms from the wild. Unlike growing vegetables in a garden, these fungi offer a unique challenge. They pop up where and when nature decides. Foragers must understand the terrain, the weather, and the seasons to successfully find and identify edible mushrooms. One of the most crucial aspects of mushroom hunting is safety. Not all mushrooms are edible. In fact, some are highly toxic. It's paramount to 1. Never consume a mushroom unless you're 100% sure of its identity. 2. Learn from experienced foragers or through reputable guides and resources. 3. Understand the local species in your area to know which are safe and which to avoid. Before you head out, proper preparation is key. You'll need a basket or container for collecting mushrooms. This allows spores to fall through and spread, promoting more mushrooms in the future. Comfortable, weather-appropriate clothing and sturdy shoes. A knife for cleanly cutting mushrooms. A guidebook or mobile app for identifying mushrooms in your region. Mushroom hunting isn't just about what you find, but also how you interact with nature. It's important to respect wildlife and the environment. Harvest in a sustainable manner, taking only what you need and leaving the area as undisturbed as possible. Understand and follow the local regulations regarding foraging. Mushroom hunting can be a rewarding experience, offering a blend of outdoor adventure, culinary delight, and ecological education. Remember, the key is to start slowly, prioritize safety, and respect nature. Happy foraging, and may your baskets always be full. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy mushroom hunting!